Hello and welcome to the Accent Bank by Sarah Valentine. My name is Brendan and I was born in Carbondale, Illinois, and I'm proud to come from Southern Illinois, the tri-state region, that area. My family is kind of from all over the place, so five things. I don't have five exact sayings that my family used to say, but I do know that my grandmother used to say things like feed people with a long-handled spoon. And I know my mom's side, they come from St. Louis, so they have more of a St. Louis accent. And my dad, they are from that area in Southern Illinois. Now I'm going to read the following sentences, starting with the tongue twister. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. She sells seashells by the seashore. I have parked my car near the garage. If you're looking for it, it's a blue Nissan. The sun is so hot today. I love summer. I like to go walking on the beach, but I also love it when it rains and I'm inside and I can hear it on the roof. Would you like a glass of water? For breakfast, I would love a coffee, and could I please have some eggs, 2 pieces of toast, and some mushrooms? I love to eat bananas. I don't think it's a good idea to be rude to people. Kindness is free. My favorite animal is a cat, but I like dogs too. I love to travel to a few of these cities: London, Paris, New York, Los Angeles, Tokyo, Berlin, Amsterdam, Athens, Lagos, Barcelona, Rome, Dubai, Vancouver, Moscow, Singapore, Sydney, and Dublin. Be kind to one another. Lastly, if you want to learn accents, remember to go to actorsaccentcoach.com. And now I'm going to count from 1 to 20 and do the alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A is for apple, B is for banana, C is for Charlie, D is for dog, E is for egg, F is for frog, G is for gold, H is for hello, I is for ice cream, J is for joy, K is for king, L is for lemon, M is for mother, N is for nut, O is for orange, P is for pepper, Q is for queen, R is for rose, S is for Sarah, T is for tomorrow, U is for umbrella, V is for Valentine, W is for water, X is for x-ray, Y is for yellow, Z is for zebra. And my name, again, is Brendan Jennings. I am an artist and a singer, and I have a TikTok, and it's bren.d.o for my TikTok. Thanks. Bye.